Production stopped due to a VFD or servo system breakdown? We bring your automation back to life fast. At Anadi Automation, we specialize in reliable repair and replacement solutions for both existing and obsolete automation control parts. Recently, our expert engineers successfully repaired and tested a ABB Make ACS580 drive. After thorough diagnostics and complete servicing, it's now performing perfectly, just like new. For more details or inquiries, visit us at anadiautomation.com. Anadi Automation, your trusted partner in automation solutions. Thank you.